So, greetings to you who's watching right now. There are a lot of changes which are coming in ahead of 2025 on Chori ITV. Good ones, very, very good ones. And we are sure you will like. But then, here is a quick update about a recent activity from Dr. Odonga Otto. Dr. Odonga Otto, via his X account, posted an update indicating that his social media accounts, multiple ones, have been hacked by unknown people. In this, he also indicates that attempts to recover or find out the people who did it also have been made, but a lot of difficulties, including some of the people seeking for financial extortion from him, which means it is also hectic. Well, Odonga said that both of my social media pages have been hacked by, in quotes, I don't know who. My TikTok page with 47,000 followers is now inaccessible to me. My Twitter or X page with over 31,000 followers was hacked from a Belgian address, and they want money to reinstate it. I will keep building. So this is serious. This is serious. This is serious. So recent, the same this year, two key Acholi figures, that is better MP Better Oluchan, were hacked, and alongside Ruot Casimiro Ngom, Achan was hacked on the 11th of April 2024, and Casimiro was hacked on the 18th of June 2024. So, meaning you should be cautious of cyber security, be careful of your online activities. Go to trusted websites only trusted websites which you know is safe. So that is what has come from Udongato. Thank you so much.